Welcome to tea ceremony in China. It's something that I learned kind of long time ago, but now I think I perfected and I would like to share this experience with you. And we start with explanation of what all this set means for tea ceremony. Of course, those are little guest cups because you pour tea frequently for your guests out of respect. And I will tell you a little secret later how you pour the tea, how much, and what it means for guests, for you. So the teapot, in this case, it's very nice teapot. Usually it's fairly small size because again, you pour a tea and water frequently, and that goes as a round of conversation around the subject of your choice. So what else you see here? Well, this is a little thing that will help us to identify if water is hot enough. If I pour the hot water, let's start with this, see if we have sufficiently hot water here. Yes, this thing turned red, it means it's hot. So what we do now, we take this little thing because it's extremely hot, but we need to wash and show guests that we, out of respect, wash their cups with hot water. So this set in front of me allows me to pour water right in, or if you have big, as many Chinese houses and offices do, big tea table, there is a special set with this kind of draining stuff right in the table. So in this case, you wash all the cups with hot water, and it keeps the tea very nicely hot when you serve it. So now, oh, by the way, what about this one? Oh, this is the host cup. Usually it's slightly bigger because, of course, you drink less frequent and you just keep it for yourself. So, what's next? Next is actual tea preparation. So, you have nice scissors. Usually, it's treated like a special tool, so you have to have something nice. And you have beautiful tea. You open the pack. You put scissors back in the holder, and then you pour the tea into the teapot. Okay, now what we have here? We have first a round of tea. I was told this is a very precious tea because it's bitter, it's good, it's a first round. So what Chinese people do with this first round? Well, this is a virgin tea. You just put it in, and what you do after you did it, you leave it aside for the rest of the ceremony because this is the most precious tea, and in this case you preserve it for the end, and that's the best tea, they call it. So we keep it, and now we actually making tea for guests. So what we do, we pour the hot water into the teapot. We keep it for a few minutes, and while we're waiting for tea to be ready, I can tell you a little story. When you pour the tea, remember, in China, there is a special way of pouring the tea for guests. Usually, not to burn them, but also out of respect, you don't fill up the cup to the fullest, to this age. Why? Because if you do that, it's a signal for your guest that that guest has to leave. So it's kind of a sign of, hey, it's enough, get out. You don't want to do this to your respectful guests. So what we do with the tea, we pour tea to the special filtering cup first, because again, some particles of tea leaves may remain, and you just do it and put the tea into the filtering cup. So all the particles, if they kind of sneak in, they stuck there. So when you pour the tea to your guests, it's clean, it's absolutely incredibly pleasant for them to drink. So you put your cup. Of course, you have extra water for the next round. You keep more tea. So what you do now? What you do is to take this cleaning stuff, put it aside, take the clean tea from this cup and pour it for your guests. So what you do here is pouring it for all the guests and serve it to them one by one. Fantastic. Only then you can actually do this for yourself. So the first round is done, and now you move cups to your guests so they can enjoy it. And I will enjoy it too, and I wish you the very best how you can make tea now because you know how it's done in China. 谢谢。